Hello everyone, my name is Shrishti and I have done my master's in psychology. Today we are going to talk about ADHD. Well, this term is very common these days. Everybody uses it like, hey, I have ADHD, I have ADHD, and we see memes also related to ADHD. But what exactly is ADHD? Well, ADHD stands for Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, and it mainly affects how a person focuses, controls impulses, and manages their energy levels. So let's try and break it down into three main categories. So the first one is inattention. This means a person with ADHD may find it hard to stay focused, whether it's during school, work, or even in between the conversations. They may get easily distracted, forget things like appointments, or lose items. Organizing tasks can be a struggle for them. Then we have hyperactivity. Many people with ADHD feel restless. You might notice them fidgeting, tapping, or talking excessively. They often feel like they have to keep on moving. And sitting still for long periods can be really difficult for them. And then we have impulsivity. This is when someone acts without thinking. For example, say, suppose you are saying something, or I'll interrupt you in between. So, this is something that they do very often. So, they have this habit of interrupting in between the conversation. And sometimes they may even engage in risky behavior without considering the consequences. There are other categories also, but these three, especially inattention, impulsivity, and hyperactivity, like they are very common. Now we'll try to understand like what causes ADHD. ADHD is mostly genetic. It tends to run in families. It's also connected to differences in brain structure and how certain chemicals work, like dopamine and how they work. It plays a very important role. Then there is environmental factors like exposure to toxins before birth or after birth, or childhood trauma can also play a very major role in this. Now we'll try and understand how does ADHD affects daily life. We'll start with academics. Like academically, student might struggle to complete their homework, follow instructions, like what their professor is saying. It's very difficult for them to, follow at that time, and to stay organized is also a task for them. Then socially, making friends and keeping up with them is very challenging for them because they have this habit of impulsivity. Um, family life can be stressful too, like with parents and siblings. It could be quite difficult to manage their time and routine with them, and as I said, because of impulsivity there could be certain difficulties. Then we are talking about emotionally. People with ADHD may feel frustrated, which can lead to low self-esteem or even anxiety. So I would like to say ADHD affects many parts of life, but with the right support and strategies, it can be managed. Thank you so much.